Welcome back to my third video. In this video, I will help you to take decision for upgrade RAM or SSD. You usually get on your laptop, the performance will slow down more and more often used. Usually 2 until 3 years, the performance has decreased. In this case, maybe we will think to upgrade the RAM to improve its performance. But the RAM actually only stores temporarily on the computer, so that speeds processing data or open multiple applications simultaneously. Will for the speed of opening application or read and write data is processed by hard drive. So if your laptop is slow, the thing we need to consider first is the hard drive, not the RAM. I suggest you to upgrade the hard drive with SSD before choosing to add RAM. I recommended SSD rather than HDD because if you're using SSD, the risk of the data loss is small, and SSD speed is much better than HDD. I think that's all for this video. Thank you.